Okay guys, this video is about how to test the contactor. That one right there is basically a basic training for the new HVAC guys, for the apprentices, the guys that are taking the trade school in college. So here we go. We have 240 right there coming in from the disconnect, but when we measure after the contactor, we have 0. However, if we measure one leg and we touch ground right there, we have 120. And same thing with the other leg. We touch that leg, we still have 120. But when we touch both legs together, we have nothing, 0. And why is that? You might be thinking that is because we have one leg that goes straight on the contactor, so this leg is fine. This is supplying 120, and then it's going to our condenser fan motor, and the power is coming back into the other leg. That's why when we touch the other leg, we have 120 right there. Okay, so that's telling me this capacitor is bad. Even though we're making good contact there, it's not transporting current or power or electricity, whatever you want to call it, to the system. So let's fix it. Okay, I removed my disconnect, but I always double check for power. I have another video on my channel where some idiots bypass the disconnect, and then there was power here. So you always, especially if you're new on the trade, you always double check for this, because if they bypass the disconnect, you're still gonna have power here, and it's gonna be 240, and if you touch it, that is gonna hurt really bad. Also, I must mention that you have to turn off your power inside, because we still have the 24 volts, and if you don't disconnect it and you touch the ground, you are gonna shortage the fuse inside the furnace. So very important to go inside and turn the power off the furnace. Okay, also the other way for testing this, you can check the ohms, and in this case I have my jumper because I don't have my alligator clips for the multimeter. But take a look at this, 12 ohms. Let's check the old unit, 18. Now it's dancing. So I was taught anything above like 17 or so is gonna be bad, or if it's dancing like this, or if it's too low like 5 or below, that's gonna be bad. See how this is dancing? That means the coil inside went bad. So that's another way for checking, for testing your contactor. Okay guys, this contactor's been replaced and it's working. That's it for this one. Take care, be safe at all times. Remember, always double check for your power. That could save your life. There's someone waiting for you at home, okay? Especially you have little kids. They need you to stay alive. See ya.